Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how a 6-ton per hour semi-automatic plant looks like. In this plant, you can manufacture dry mix mortar, sand cement-based plaster, tile adhesive, and block jointing mortar. Generally, there are 3 types of raw material used in a dry mix plant. First one is the sand. We can use any type of dry sand, depending on the availability, such as silica sand, sand, or quartz sand, which should be ranging from 30 mesh to 120 mesh, which is approximately 0.1 mm to 0.6 mm. We can load the sand manually as seen here, which is normally maintenance-free. Or you can also load it through this type of flexible pipe which is available in the market easily. This is the belt conveyor through which sand is loaded and getting transferred into the weight hopper. Second type of raw material used is the cement. We can use OPC or PPC cement, depending on the availability and requirement. This is the screw conveyor through which cement is loaded and getting transferred into the weight hopper. While manufacturing grey tile adhesive, fly ash can also be used as an additional supplement to smoothen the product. Third type of raw material used are the chemicals, whose composition we have to manually decide and make beforehand based on our recipe, and has to be manually loaded directly into the mixer at the start of the cycle of mixing. This is generally done as chemicals are highly reactive, and to avoid the contact of chemicals in open environment. Normally, 15 to 20 minutes are required for one cycle of mixing. While the mixing is going on, same time is utilized to fill the weight hopper, which is installed above the mixer and is equipped with load cells. The panel fitting is done on the wall at ground, through which we can set different type of recipe as per our requirement, and once the required amount of sand and cement is loaded into weight hopper, those conveyors would automatically stop. All this programming and control can be set through the panel which we provide with this weight hopper. Once the mixing is done, material gets transferred into the storage hopper, which is placed below the mixer. Once the material is transferred into the storage hopper, the mixer would be empty, and in the same time frame, weight hopper would have been filled with the raw materials. So we will transfer the material from weight hopper to mixer, and the same loop will continue. This is the packing machine, in which material would be transferred directly from storage hopper via the screw conveyor. This packing machine has double line output, with each line capable of producing up to 6 ton per hour. This packing machine is equipped with twin screw technology. The big screw transfers the coarse material, while the small screw transfers the fine material into the packing machine. We can set the weight range from 20 kg to 50 kg on the display panel where all the functions are available for us. Once the bag is filled as per our required weight, it automatically drops onto the belt conveyor. Once filled, it moves on near the stitching machine stand, where we will get the bag stitched, and then it gets transferred to the storage section. If you liked our video, kindly subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. And if you are interested to buy, kindly contact us. Thank you for watching.